Welcome to English in a Minute. Whitewash is a liquid used for painting things, like walls and fences.
Whitewash.
Okay, the boss just told me the company is only cutting a few jobs. She said not to worry.
How is that supposed to make me feel better? Steve just got fired today.
But she said the company is fine.
Sounds like she's trying to whitewash the problem.
When you whitewash something, you cover its natural condition with whiteness. Whitewash can make surfaces look clean. But in conversation, whitewashing means to make something wrong or illegal look okay. It is a way of hiding a truth or covering up unpleasant facts. And that's English in a Minute.